This video covers the case study programs. Let's see the fifth case study. The question is this way. Design an application to calculate book purchase with field name, book name, author name, publisher name, price and total based on the following conditions. The first condition is if price is lesser than 100 rupees, then discount will be 5%. If the price is greater than 100 rupees, then discount will be 10%. If price is greater than 200 rupees, then discount will be 15%. If price is greater than 300, discount will be 20%. If price is greater than 500, discount will be 25%. Right now, let's see the window for this one. Window design. This is the window design for the book case study. Label 1 book name, label 2 author name, label 3 publisher name, label 4 price, label 5 quantity, label 6 total and label 7 it is blank where we have to display the complete details at the end. Text box 1 to text box 6, this will remain blank because some will take the input, some will go for display of the results. And here we have taken only one button, that is compute. Right now let's see the properties table. The properties table is this way here. Label 1 text property book name, label 2 text author name, label 3 publisher name, label 4 text price, label 5 text quantity, label 6 text total, label 7 text property blank. Why blank? In essence, the complete details of the book will go to this particular tool, that is label 7. Text box 1 till text box 6, text property, this will be blank because some will take the input, the sum of the text boxes will go for display of the results. Button 1 text property compute. Right now let's see the coding part. Now let's see the coding for button 1, that is compute. Just do double click on this one. This will take us to code designer window. Here comes out with public class book, private sub button 1 click, right. Later comes out with declaration of variables. To declare the variables of the respective type, dim statement will be used. Dim indicates here dimension. Here we have taken the variables price, discount, total, TOT, quantity and all the variables are separated using the comma operator as single data type. As per the window design, the price and the quantity is entered in text box 4 and then 5, right. And later here back to the coding, text box 4 what we enter the input that has to be converted to number type using the val function. Val indicates here the value which is mainly used to convert from text to number type. Once it is converted, later this will be stored in the variable, that is price. Then text box 5 what we enter the input that will be converted to number type using the val function and later it will be stored in the variable quantity. Next is regarding about the calculation part. Price into quantity, this has to be written a mathematical expression which is mainly used to perform the calculation. Once this calculation is done, later this will be stored in the variable TOT. Then comes out with the condition checking. If price is lesser than 100, then discount is equals to total into discount will be 5%. This 5% is written in the form of decimal format, that is 0.05. Next comes out with total is equals to TOT minus discount and later we have to display the total in the text box 6. Right, the total will be containing the final amount and that will be displayed in text box 6 here, right. Okay. Then comes out with the next condition here. Next, coming to the second condition here, it is given that else if price greater than 100 and is given, and indicates here what, that is logical and. In case of and, two or more condition has to be true, then only the result will be true. If any one condition or if all the conditions are false, then the result also will be false, right? And the second condition is what? Price lesser than 200. That is nothing but the range is from above 100 below 200. In that case, discount is equals to TOT into 10%. This 10% is written in the form of decimals, that is 0.1. Total is equals to TOT minus discount. Then later total has to be displayed in text box 6, right? Okay. Let's see the third condition here. In case of third condition here, if price is greater than 200 and price lesser than 300, then discount is equals to TOT into 15% is given here. 15% also is written in the form of decimal format. Then again the same calculation, total is equals to TOT minus discount. Later total will be containing that final output, and that has to be displayed in text box 6, right? Okay. Let's go for the fourth condition. In case of the fourth condition, again we have the range here. Price greater than 300 and price lesser than 500, then discount is equals to TOT into 20%. This 20% is written in the form of 0.2. Total is equals to TOT minus discount. Total will be containing the final result or the output, that has to be displayed in text box 6, right? Okay, let's go back here. Then comes out with the last condition. Else if price is greater than equals to 500, then discount is equals to total into 25%, that is written in the form of 0.25. Then total is equals to TOT minus discount, and later this total has to be displayed in text box 6, right? Okay. Later we have the else part, the default statement here. Else later in the message box, suppose if we have entered any invalid data or the wrong input, in that case there will be a pop-up message that will be enter the proper input, and if statement will end with endif. Next we have to display the complete details in the label 7, that is this one. Here we have to display, right? Then book name, which is taken in double quotes, then ampersand symbol, which is a concatenation operator which is mainly used for combining. Text box 1 dot text, because there itself we are going to enter the book name. Ampersand VB new line to go for the next line. Ampersand author name in double quotes. Ampersand via text box 2 itself we enter the author name. Then again ampersand VB new line to go for next line. Ampersand publisher name. Ampersand text box 3 we enter the publisher name. Then ampersand VB new line. Ampersand total amount. Ampersand total will be containing that final result or the output. And private sub will end with end sub. Public class with end class. Right now we shall load this one. Project, window application properties. Right now this is for book. Later close this one. Start debugging for execution. Book name, just take here GST. Author name ABC. Publisher name XYZ. Price 400. quantity 6, click on compute, right? The next case study is this way. NWKSRTC request you to prepare a fare plan for their buses as per the following conditions. There are two different conditions are available here. Mode of travel, day pass. Under this, for child 50% of discount, for adult 10%, for senior citizen it is 25% of discount. Coming to the second one, mode of travel, monthly pass. For child 50% discount, for adult 35%, and for senior citizen it is 45% of discount. Next comes out with input the passenger name, age, mode of travel, fare amount, calculate the payable amount after discount. Down the note is provided here. Right now let's see the window design for this particular program. Let's see the window design for this one. Label 1 name, label 2 age, label 3 mode of travel, label 4 fare amount, label 5 discount, label 6 total, text box 1 till text box 6. This will be blank because some will take the inputs and some will go for display of the results. And here we have just taken only button 1. The caption is compute. Right now let's see the properties table. Label 1 text property name, label 2 text age, label 3 text mode of travel, label 4 text fare amount, label 5 text discount, label 6 text property total, text box 1 till text box 6. This will be blank because some will take the input, some will go for the display of results. Button 1 text property compute. Right now let's see the coding for this one. Let's see the coding for button 1, that is compute. Just to double click on this one, this will take us to code designer window here. Public class NWKSRTC, right? Private sub button 1, click, and here we have just taken the list of variables, right? To declare the variables, dim statement is used, and here we have the variables age, fare, discount, total, which is of single data type. Later again we have dim mode, because mode will take only two, either day pass or monthly pass, as string data type. As per the design, age is entered in text box 2, which has to be converted to number type using the val. Once it is converted to number type, later it has to be stored in the variable age. Then mode of travel will be entered in text box 3, right, which is of text type, right. Then store it in the mode variable. Then comes out with the fare amount, which is entered in text box 4, which has to be converted to number type, and this will be converted using the val function, that is value, which is mainly used to convert from text to number type, and then it will be stored on the variable fare. Right now let's see the first condition. If mode is equals to day pass, which is taken in double quotes because it's of string text type, then here comes out with multiple branching statement, that is select case is taken here. Select case age. Let's see the first case. If case is greater than equals to 61, that is from 61 above 60, right, then discount is equals to fare amount into 25%. This 25% is written in the form of 0.25. Then comes out with the case is greater than equals to 13, that is range is from 13 to 60. Then discount is equals to fare amount into 10 percentage, right? Then case is lesser than equals to 12, up to 12 years. Discount is equals to fair amount into 50 percentage. 50 percentage is written in the form of decimals, that is 0.5, right? And right now select case will end with end select. Else part here, suppose if we have entered the mode monthly pass, in that case here comes out with again the select case age, case is greater than equals to 61, that is 61 or above 60, then discount is equals to fair amount into 45 percentage. This 45 percentage is written in the form of 0.45. Then case is greater than equals to 13, that is ranges from 13 to 60. Then discount is equals to fair amount into 0.35. Case is lesser than equals to 12, that is up to the age 12. Discount is equals to fair amount into 50 percentage, that is 0.5. Then later select case will end with end select, and if statement will end with end if. Later comes out with the calculation of total here. Total is equals to fair minus discount, and later we have to go for display of discount and the total in text box 5 and text box 6. As per the design, text box 5 will take discount, text box 6 will take the total. Then private sub will end with end sub, public class with end class. Right now let's load this one, project window application properties. Then execution, enter the name, age 25, mode of travel, day pass, amount 80, right? Suppose if it is entered with monthly pass, and here just enter some amount 200, right? Thank you.